Filtering measurements. The app has a flexible filtering system for measurements. To use filters, open the Measurements window and choose a filter. It is possible to add a filter by the type of measurement. And you can show measurements on all pages. If you did not transfer a value and lost some measurements, use the Schedule filter group. Unscheduled measurements that are not used in the selected sheet. Scheduled measurements that are used in the selected sheet. To see what is used in the selected cell, use the Cell Range filter. Thank you for watching.